Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to do transfers and conference calls in your Power Dialer. You can choose to transfer a call as a blind transfer or as a warm or supervised transfer. You can also do a three-way conference call. Now, let's begin. Click on the Power Dialer button. The first step is to create a transfer list with phone numbers and names of your supervisor or someone else so you'll have them readily available for transfers or conference calls. Click on the Edit Transfer List button. This opens up Notepad. The first time you add entries to the transfer list, you'll see a pop-up window that says it cannot find the transfer file. Click Yes to create the file. On the first line, type in a 10-digit phone number, a space, and then the person's name. Press Enter to go to the next line because only one entry is allowed per line. Note, the phone number must be entered first. Only enter the 10-digit number. Do not enter a 1 in front of it. Also, the person's name must be alphabetical with no numbers. So you cannot have something like Agent 1 in the list. Now, if needed, type in another 10-digit number, a space, and name, and press Enter. When you're done entering phone numbers and names, click on File and select Save to save the file. Then close Notepad. Click Update Changes so that the new entries will show in the Transfer Number drop-down box. If you need to add to or edit the transfer list later, be sure to save it and click Update Changes to refresh the drop-down list. Now that the list has been made, you can do transfers and conference calls. To do a blind transfer while you're talking to someone, select the number you want from the drop-down box and click the Blind Transfer button. The call will be transferred and you can move on to your next call. Notice that the number you selected is still showing in the transfer number box. The last transfer number you called is saved in the box until a new number is selected. So, if the number you want is showing in the box, it's already selected. Now, to continue. To do a warm or supervised transfer while you're talking to someone, click the Hold button. Select the number you want from the drop-down box if it's not already selected. Click the red Call button. Speak to the person you're transferring the call to and click the S-Tran button. The call will be transferred and you can move on to your next call. Note, while your customers are on hold, they will hear music or your company's ad. To do a three-way call while you're talking to someone, click the Hold button, select the number you want from the drop-down box if it's not already selected, click the red Call button, speak to the person you're adding to the conference call, and click the three-way button. Now all three of you will be on the call together. When you hang up, the conference call will be disconnected. That's it. You now know how to do transfers and conference calls in your Power Dialer. At the end of this video is an outline of the steps for transfers and conference calls in the Power Dialer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.